give me few seconds. I'll start with sensor. I'll start with photosensor. Okay, so how many of you have learned about automatic street lights? Have you learned about, anyone of you know about automatic? Anyone of you know about automatic street light? No? Okay, so automatic street light, there is a sensor. My voice is clear, isn't it clear?
It's clear, Deepika ma'am.
Okay. So for automatic street light, what we have you ever noticed that there are some street lights that automatically gets turned on when it gets dark. After the sunset, when it becomes dark, our surrounding, when it becomes dark, our street light automatically gets turned on. Do you know how it works? There is a sensor placed over the street light. There's a sensor placed over the street light and it detects the light. If there is no light, so it turns on the street bulb, otherwise it make it off. Okay, so we will learn about this sensor. It is called light sensor, okay, which detects the amount of light. It is also called as photoresistor. So I'm sharing my screen now. Okay, so this is how we, this is our photoresistor. Okay, I'll do the connection again. I'll make it neat. Everybody create new circuit. Okay. Take one Arduino board. Take one Arduino board. Okay. So select one Arduino board from this list. Select one Arduino board. Okay. And then there is a photoresistor. There is a photoresistor at the bottom. Select this photoresistor, okay, and place it on the screen. Do it fast. Okay, have you placed it, photoresistor? Okay, and then take one resistor. There is a resistor. Take out the resistor and place it. Connect it with GND. Okay, connect it with DND. Sorry, GND. Like this. And connect the sensor with Arduino in this way, okay? Connect it like this, a resistor. And what is your doubt? Write down your doubt, okay? And then the left pin also goes to A0 and the right pin goes to 5 volt. This is how we connect a photoresistor. Do the connection and let me know, okay? And chat box, open the link, okay, detects amount of light present in our surrounding. Okay, so very bright light, let's suppose for very bright light, say for very bright sunlight, it detects some value in like a very high number like 500 or 600 or maybe some bigger numbers, but for very dim light we have small numbers. This photoresistor gives us very small number like 2, 3, 5, 8, 10 like this. Okay. And for medium brightness, it gives us intermediate numbers like basically measures the intensity of light. How our surrounding is, how bright our surrounding is. Okay, then how much light is present in our surrounding, in its surrounding actually, photoresistor surrounding, and it gives the result. It gives the value at this at A0. Okay, it measures the amount of light and then it passes that value to this A0. Okay, now let's go to our coding and then uh, just click this. We will do our coding again. Delete the line, delete the code. Just keep this void setup one and void loop one. Okay. Log in from your Gmail or Google. Sugat. Okay, have you removed the code? Okay, tell me how many of have you learned about serial monitor or not? Have you learned about serial monitor? It's okay if you don't have a PC or laptop. It's okay, no need. You can just see the class and you can take notes of it. There is no class password. You need to log in with your Google, okay? Google or your own account, okay? So how many of you have done till now? Just write in chat box, yes. Have you learned about serial monitor? Have you learned about it? Serial monitor? Okay, serial monitor you have not learned about it. So let's talk about serial monitor first. So what is a monitor? A monitor is a place. A monitor is a display which displays something, which shows something, gives some output. Okay, a monitor is something which shows some output, and serial monitor is a monitor connected to the Arduino board. Okay, serial monitor is a monitor which is connected to the Arduino board, which gives the output from this Arduino board. Okay, if this Arduino board want to show some information, give some information, well, it gives to our serial monitor. Okay, so we can write anything. This is our serial monitor at the bottom, and it can display anything. So let's display our name over the serial monitor. Okay. So to use this serial monitor, we write serial dot begin and 9600. 9600. Okay. This is the code to activate our serial monitor, and to write anything, we write serial dot print and then any say hello world. want to print this hello world on our serial monitor. Click on start simulation. Oh, my mistake. The spelling of serial is S-E-R-I-A-L. Okay. So in our serial monitor, it's printing hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world like this. Okay. So the difference, then we can use serial.println. It will print in different lines. Each time it will print in different lines. Hello world, hello world, hello world like this. Okay. So this is our serial monitor. This is how we use serial monitor. You can print anything over here. Even you can print your name. You can print your name. Let's suppose hello Suraj. Okay, so let's print this hello Suraj. So it will print hello Suraj. Okay, you can print anything of your choice. So try this project. Try this program on your own. Print your name. Wait fast and let me know. Okay, I'm waiting. Wait fast. Shravan, you just write this program, okay? Write this program, copy this program, and change your name from here. And then click on Start Simulation. I will send this program in the chat box. Is there anyone who has completed this program? Is there anyone who has completed? Write yes in the chat box. Okay, so this is a simple program. This is a simple program which prints anything you write inside this serial.println over here. Okay, there's a serial monitor which displays some output which gives some information, and you can print anything over here. Okay, this is our serial monitor. Just write the program, Tushar. I'll send the code again. Paste it over here and click on Start Simulation. This is the code. Paste this program, change your name from here, and then click on Start Simulation. Okay? Yes, the program I have sent in the chat box. The program. Okay? Now, let's begin with this photosensor. Okay, photoresistor. It gives us the value of the light in its surrounding. It gives us the value of light in its surrounding. Okay, so Shravan, do it fast. You just need to write 4 lines of code. Do it fast. Okay, now what we want to see how much light is present in the surrounding of this sensor. Okay, so we just need to write analog read and then 0. Okay, now see what we are doing now. We are printing the value of light in the surrounding. Password Siddiqui, Iram Siddiqui, just take the notes of the class and try to log in after the class and do the coding after the class. Okay, just understand the class and do it after I finish. Okay, and listen to me. So what we are doing now, we are printing the value of light in the surrounding of this sensor. This is a sensor which detects the amount of light in its surrounding. And over here, we are printing the amount of light. As I have already told you that this sensor will measure the amount of light and this will pass, the value will pass through the wire, this wire, and it will be stored at A0. Okay, it will be stored at A0 and then we are printing the value of this A0 using this word analog read and then 0. Okay, it means that we are reading the value which is stored at A0. That is the value of light. Okay, so this is just the code analog read and then A0. Okay, and when we click on start simulation, it is giving us the value of light in its surrounding. You can increase the value of light in its surrounding. This is a virtual sensor. This is not a real sensor. Virtual sensor, you won't get an option like this to increase or decrease. To increase or decrease, you won't get it. It will automatically, the light in its surrounding will be automatically calculated using this code. Using this 6 lines of code, you can measure the light, amount of light in your surrounding. Okay, is it clear? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt, anyone? Okay. So all of you have learned about it. The sensor detects the amount of light and we can see the amount of light. Yes, it is working. Very good, sir. Okay. Now, what next? We want to turn our LED automatically, like when we leave that. See. For today, we are just doing our code. We are just printing the value of light in our serial monitor. Okay, the value of light. Have you learned about if else? If else? If else statement? Okay, Shravan didn't understand. Shravan, have you understood serial monitor? What is it? Shravan, have serial monitor is clear to you or not? Okay. And what you didn't understand about this sensor or this program? Any one of you who is having doubt, any doubt, can ask me. We have a few minutes left, so you can ask your doubt. Shravan, this sensor is clear to you. What is the sensor? Sensor basically measures the amount of light in its surrounding. Okay, so is the amount of light in its surrounding, how much bright our light is, how much dim our light is. Okay, this much only. And according to that, it gives some value. Is it clear? It just measures the light, how much it detects the how much light is there in our surrounding, and it gives the value corresponding to that this sensor. And this is the code. Click on start simulation. So when we decrease our light, that is for dim light, we have 70 as value, and even less 6. And when we increase the value, it will give high numbers. Like for very bright light, we have 679 max for this sensor. Okay, and some are facing doubt with this Tinker. So there is no passcode, there is no class code. Okay, you just open the link and then you click on. Then you click on. Okay, so we have the website www.tinkercad.com. This is the link. Okay. So when you open the link tinkercad.com, wait, it's opening. It will take some time. This is patience.